Hey guys, William Saunders here, the co-founder of Print My ATM, and let's go ahead and cover our monthly report for April 2016. All right, so general highlights, guys. Let's talk about means of communication. So, student to student communication, you guys would be able to communicate with one another through our dashboard chat interface as soon as you guys are logged into the student lounge. The other way of actually communicating more on a student to student level would be through our student mastermind group. Okay, and then we also have a student group that was created on Facebook, I believe, as well. Okay, so let's talk about student to staff communication, guys. You can reach out staff. The best way would be the support tickets or pretty much live chat support during normal business hours, all right? You guys can send in emails, but depending on which email system you use, it may take a little bit of a delay. And also the ticket at Matter, okay? So for you guys that are looking for general support, those should get answered pretty quickly within 24 to 72 hours on average. If you guys are looking for some trading support, the best thing would probably do is to ask another student within a student mastermind first before sending in a support ticket for that issue. If you guys are sending in any concerns outside of those general topics, it's going to take a little bit longer so that we can get the specific person that's able to handle those tickets, because our normal staff do not handle that department, okay? Now, if you guys are looking to communicate with me directly, the best way would be the student mastermind group, guys. Okay, for those of you that are not aware, our merchant account is up and running. It's live, so you guys can feel free to charge your debit or credit cards worldwide now. All right, we also have a new affiliate system. So for our affiliates that's using the old affiliate links, that's perfectly fine. We're still going to be tracking that through the registration forms along with the old software, upwards of 90 additional days for the old tracking. But you guys can switch over and just use the new tracking and everything like that. So you'll be off to a really good start with the new system, and so far we're pretty much liking it. Now I'm very excited to let you guys know that we have a ton of highly approved content that's actually going to be added to PMA's community within the next 30 to 90 days. So it's going to be a lot of really great things that it's like we're taking it to a new level once again, and it's always great when we can have these additions and bring things forward. So we have some content coming from expert, just like we did with some of the trading material. We're going to have a ton of personal development that's coming down from that level. We're going to introduce more approved courses that's going into the Trader's Vault. We have several new courses that's coming out and being added to the intermediate level, as well as the other levels. So very excited to continue to take things to the next level with the community and to ensure the growth of the education, the training. And I mean, there's really no stopping to it. We're just keep on investing into products, softwares, and tools to get you guys to the next level, no matter where you are within a community, okay? Now, for the April trading session, these are the group sessions that we've actually done together during the live trading session, okay? So I do about one per level. So that's right around 4 for the group per month. And then I do private sessions with other students. So my time is really tied up with them. It's best for you guys to use the student mastermind so that you can begin to trade with each other, and it's not just like one time per month with me. I want to make sure that you guys are trading with one another and just really sitting there masterminding, learning from each other, mistakes. I'll be in the mastermind group as well, kind of giving you guys some feedback and making sure that you guys actually continue to keep up with your accounts and grow your accounts and everything like that. So for basic, guys, we took 8 minutes of trading and 4.70% of profit. And immediate was a little bit different, 90 minutes of trading, and we were actually down 13%. Now, the last trade that we actually took, we didn't have the opportunity to do what we call a reverse spread on that level. I believe I was talking in regards to a setup or something, so missed opportunity for that. But one trade before that, we would have actually been up right around 2% exactly. And then we actually placed that trade and we're down 13%. If we would have taken another extra trade, we'd have been down 2.5% instead of 13%. So it's no big deal too much in regards to just taking a 13% loss. I mean, just one trade before or one trade after that would have been enough to change the outcome of just leaving it at that. But that's still perfectly fine because we follow risk management. May trading schedule for this month, guys. So basic's going to be the 10th. We're going to do a morning session, 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. Novice is going to be the 13th, 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. And immediate, we're going to do a morning session. I believe we've been doing night sessions for it, so we're going to take it back to morning. So on the 17th, 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. Advance, I do believe, is going to be on the 29th, which is a Sunday. So we're going to get back into our Asian session Sunday for this month. If we need to do a bonus webinar, then you guys can just keep me updated with that. And this should be enough to really get you guys moving forward. Another successful month. All right, student spotlight. I would like to welcome Kim to our advanced level. I would like to welcome also Elwood to our intermediate level. So a lot of powerful stuff there. Keep in mind, I would like to welcome Keith to our novice tuition level. And I can't wait till you guys and the others really get to the advanced because we got a serious powerhouse there. Emram, go ahead and reach out to me in our student mastermind group so we can work with your account as we discussed it a week or two ago. And once again, I want to congratulate all the PMA affiliates that really brought in a ton of new students to our prosperous community. So congratulations to you guys, and you definitely know it's a huge blessing in what we have here to offer for everyone. So truly appreciate it once again. All right, so with that being said, let's go ahead and move over to the numbers section of this monthly report. All right, guys, now before we go ahead and move forward through this section of the report, I want you guys to keep in mind as a quick disclaimer, the results that you see here does not guarantee that you guys will get the same outcome, okay? Your results may vary depending on your trading account size, your risk management, and how well you can follow instructions. We're just basically going to display the potential power of trading in general, whether that's binary options or Forex, along with having proper education, okay? So let's go ahead and move forward. All right, so for the month of April, guys, it was kind of weird for me. Didn't have much time to kind of sit in and trade like I actually wanted to. I was dealing with a lot of different things. So personal, family, medical, I was dealing with business, and I only had enough time to really place a few trades here. So for the first week, I actually placed my trade and I got stopped out. Usually at my reentry, it would have been just enough to break even, but I wasn't able to like take my reentry, so that's why I didn't recover there. The second week up on the 14th, I actually got in a trade and I adjusted it more so to a break even type of deal, and I went to take a reentry back at the same rate that I got in and wasn't able to do so. I had to be out, had to miss off. On the 15th, I actually just barely got stopped out and I missed this one. Got stopped out at 26.20 and it kicked me out at 28, and then it dropped down in my favor. So this day would have been a really huge day if I just had a reentry or a pip of a normal expected range and everything like that. So this day alone would have definitely been enough to recover for these trades and everything in that nature, but I was not able to get in and take advantage, and my stop was actually too close here. So for the month of April, I'm down 81.10 pips, a percent of 34.04%, which is slightly higher than what we're looking for the month. We want to stick around if we're going to be down about 10 to 30%. At most, 34% is just, slightly higher than what a losing month is. On top of that, we are only right around taking the trades for long-term trends, which is probably about 5 trades per month, but I'm going to get Pete to come in and really start to work on some intra trades again, because my current schedule really cannot perform intraday trades. I only can do like long term, so Pete's going to really get in and do some intraday trades for you guys. All right, so let's go ahead and move over to our intermediate students. Now for intermediate, we take 2 out of 3 portfolios that's actually given to us, and we actually document it here within our monthly performance. So for portfolio 48 and 49, they're using only long-term trades here. So more than likely using the 80-20 analysis or the 5-bar breakout. So for 48, they've had 260 wins, 137 losses, a little over 270,000 of collective profit. Portfolio 49, 242 wins, 121 losses, a little over 316,000 of profit. For the month of April, intermediate students trading binary options have taken 502 wins, 258 losses, $587,000 of allocated profit amongst those that are actually sitting in their portfolio, because we have many that's actually not. So let's take a look at advanced students. Now, advanced, we like to document 3 out of 4 portfolios that we actually received. So for portfolio 73, 74, and 75, we're only documenting long-term trades. So more than likely, this is going to be using the alpha system. For portfolio 73, we got 196 wins, 53 losses, $343,000 of profit. Portfolio 47, 279 wins, 56 losses, $410,250 worth of profit. Portfolio 75, 245 wins, 60 losses, $370,750 of profit. So when we go ahead and add all of those portfolios together, we get our grand monthly total for April, which is 720 wins, 169 losses, $1,124,000 of total profit. So when we go ahead and add intermediate wins, losses, and their gain, do the same thing for advanced, their wins, their losses, and their gains, we're going to get our grand monthly total for April, which is 1,222 wins, 427 losses. Total profit for the month would be $1,711,000. All right, so congratulations to the advanced and intermediate students that are sitting in their binary trades. We still don't have enough for the novice students, and definitely not enough for the basic students to give it a overall performance. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at our FX signals that goes out for our advanced students. That's also the same signals that you guys may kind of see when you're using the daily trades that come out to you via email if you're opt-in on our homepage there. So for the month of April, guys, those signals that was actually sent out generated right around 478 pips. Okay, this is basically given out to you guys of when to buy, when to sell, how to adjust your take profit, when to set your stops, and everything in that nature. All right, so thus far April was still pretty much a really good month of moving forward within a community and with the students. So a round of applause to everyone, especially the affiliates, because I do not give you guys enough credit sometimes. So all right, PMA current students, follow the process, guys. Keep it up. I want you guys to learn the material, and I want you guys to communicate with one another, work in the masterminds, and then get to the next tuition level. Okay, I want everyone eventually to be within advanced so that I can really begin to open the doors a lot more for you guys. And being that expert is kind of closed, I'm bringing a ton of that expert material down to the advanced level, and vice versa. I'm taking it intermediate students and really putting more pressure and focus on them to take things to the next level. And if you guys are not currently an active student within our community and you're just keeping up with us, that's perfectly fine. We have tons of valuable content that you guys can gain access to from filling in your email on our homepage here, such as daily trades, a quick video course series, and especially the 8 stages of profitable traders. So you guys can feel free to keep up with us via Facebook, which is facebook.com/printmyatm. You guys can reach us on YouTube at youtube.com/printmyatm. You guys can send in an email at support@printmyuniversity.com. And guess what? You guys can feel free to reach out to any of our students, because they are gladly to help you guys out. Okay, so I wish everyone much success and, of course, happy trading.
Hey traders, William here, and I got 3 important questions for you. Number 1, do you have a profitable trading coach or mentor? Number 2, are you getting 50 to 500 pips per day? And number 3, are you satisfied with your trading results? If you can answer 2 out of 3 of the questions with an yes, then congratulations, my friend. But if not, then we're about to change the game for you. And it doesn't matter if you guys are trading binary options, forex, or futures, because we can do it all and we have it all. Top of the line trading signals, monthly group shares, and complete market domination. Check out our free video course series and our daily trade analysis to see for yourselves.